Radio's roots go back to the 19th century when scientists began exploring electromagnetic waves. James Clerk Maxwell, in the 1860s, made the theoretical prediction of electromagnetic waves. Heinrich Hertz, in 1887, proved Maxwell's theory by transmitting and receiving radio waves in a lab. Nikola Tesla and Guglielmo Marconi both played pivotal roles in turning theory into practical wireless communication. Fun fact, Marconi is often called the father of radio, though Tesla's patents laid much of the groundwork. In the early experiments and innovations from 1900 to the 1920s, in 1901, Marconi sent the first transatlantic wireless signal from England to Canada. In 1906, Reginald Fessenden made the first radio broadcast of voice and music on Christmas Eve. During World War I, governments took over radio for military use, recognizing its strategic value. The golden age of radio spanned from the 1920s to the 1940s, where radio evolved from a scientific curiosity to a household staple. In 1920, KDKA in Pittsburgh became the first licensed commercial radio station in the U.S. Throughout the 1930s and 40s, radio became the primary source of entertainment and news, with families gathering around for music, drama, and Roosevelt's fireside chats. Popular shows included The Shadow, Amos and Andy, and War of the Worlds. The post-war boom in FM radio from the 1950s to the 1970s saw FM radio, developed by Edwin Armstrong in the 1930s, gain popularity in the 1950s and 60s for higher sound quality. The rise of top 40 formats, radio DJs, and the link between radio and rock and roll emerged, while portable radios and car radios made listening more personal and mobile. As television gained popularity from the 1950s onward, radio adapted by shifting from drama to music and talk formats. Local stations thrived by catering to niche audiences, and talk radio, sports broadcasting, and news radio rose in prominence. The digital revolution and internet radio from the 1990s to the 2000s brought the emergence of online streaming, satellite radio like SiriusXM, and podcasts with AM/FM facing competition from Spotify, Pandora, and personalized playlists. Today, radio remains a major medium globally, especially for news, talk, and music. In many regions, radio is vital for emergency broadcasts and rural communication. The rise of podcasting has brought radio-style storytelling into the digital age. Despite new tech, radio remains accessible, cost-effective, and a powerful medium for real-time information. Radio shaped the 20th century,